Hello, my name is Jason. I'm one of the owners of a 3D rendering company called Render 3D Quick. And this video is going to be pretty short and sweet. It's going to be explaining what an interior view is. Some clients have a little bit of a hard time understanding exactly what it is, but basically it's just what it sounds like. It's as if you're standing in a room, so inside a property. Any view inside of a property, whether it's a kitchen, a living room, a restaurant, a shopping mall, condo tower, whatever it is, an office tower, whatever. As long as it's inside, we call that an interior view. And we usually do them at eye level, so it feels like you're standing in the room. So if it's a kitchen view, it'll be like 4 or 5 feet off the floor. We'll position the camera there so it looks like you're standing in the kitchen, and like our renderings are all photorealistic. So it looks like it's real, looks like you're standing in the kitchen, nothing's built yet, but you get to see what your kitchen's gonna look like before it's built. So a lot of clients say like, well, how do you know what I want my kitchen to look like? How do you know what my cabinets are gonna be, or my countertop, or appliances, or whatever? The answer is we don't know. You have to send us some reference pictures. So what we need to do interior views is the floor plans, and if you don't have floor plans professionally drawn by an architect, that's fine. Just a rough layout sketch. You can get a pen and paper and just say this is a general layout of the property, or the kitchen or living room, or the entire floor plan, whatever it is. Send that information so we know what the layout is, and then some reference pictures. So 2 things: the floor plans, the layouts, and then reference pictures. So this is what I want my kitchen to look like, and whatever we see in that picture, the black cabinets, we're going to put black cabinets. White marble countertop, we're going to put that into your kitchen. Whatever we see in that reference picture, we're going to put it into yours. And that applies for anything, whether it's a restaurant, a living room view, an office tower, whatever it is, we're going to apply that reference picture to yours, so your property will look very similar to the reference picture you provide us. And that's how we put that together. So hopefully that explains better what an interior view is and helps you understand. I'll also put some links to, or I'll put a link below the video to other interior views we've done for other clients. And so you get a better idea of what to expect from us if you're going to order some interior views. And if you have any further questions, you can call us 1-877-350-3490, or you can email us info@render3dquick.com, and we'll answer all of your questions right away. Okay, thanks.